When you see someone yawning, you can't help but yawn too. It's something everyone has experienced at least once. This phenomenon is called contagious yawning, and it's not just because of tiredness. It's actually related to a part of our brain called mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are brain cells that react as if we're performing an action ourselves when we see someone else doing it. That's why yawning, and even laughter, can be contagious. Here's something interesting. Studies have found that the closer the person is, like family or friends, the more likely you are to yawn when they do. This isn't just a coincidence. Our brains are wired to unconsciously share emotions with others. In fact, people with higher levels of empathy are more likely to catch a yawn. So, yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness. It could be a sign of human social bonding.